Today we're doing confined space rescue. I'm a littler guy, so I'm usually the one that has to go inside the smaller holes.
Do you have a safety officer? I'm overall safety,
Okay.
but guess who's gonna be your safety right here?
If you're using the winch with this system, you have to use the correct size rope.
Confined space rescue training is taking place in 2 locations at Pillar Point Harbor.
Confined spaces come in a lot of different forms.
Confined space is defined as an area that's large enough for an employee to work, has restricted entry and exit, and is not designed for continuous human occupancy. The first training location is the ice house, which produces ice to preserve catch while out to sea.
This is where the ice is made. These giant sheets of ice are broken up into smaller pieces. They're sent up this auger system into the plumbing so it can get pushed out to the commercial vessels.
The second location is a commercial fishing vessel called the Sea Pearl. We appreciate the generosity of the owners of both locations for letting us use their space to sharpen our skills.
This is something that's a tradition in the fire service. We have to build these relationships, and them allowing us to do that is making us better equipped to provide care for them if they were ever in need.
The way life is, and whether medical or equipment breaks or somebody slips, I'd want these guys to be trained as best as possible.
This owner here knows that if we have an emergency at his site, we've been here before, we've trained here before, we're going to be ready to perform.
These high-risk, low-frequency rescues don't happen often, but when they do, firefighters need to be able to perform at the highest level to rescue people effectively while preventing injury to rescue personnel. In these cold conditions, teams must manage their time. Firefighters rotate out to rest and rewarm because the combination of cold and physical exertion can cause rapid exhaustion, hypothermia risk, and impaired cognitive function.
That's the trick to this game. Both your victims and your rescuers have a limited amount of time. So this is so important for everyone to get a chance to see what this is like in here and what the conditions really are.
They must also be mentally prepared to work efficiently in extreme temperatures and restricted spaces.
In training, I tell myself that it's a training, everything's safe, it's a safe environment. Being claustrophobic is like a real concern. A lot of us do some slow, deep breathing, try to relax ourselves, understand that we got lots of teammates around us to make us safe.
These trainings give firefighters from neighboring agencies the chance to work together, the bedrock for a unified response when it's time to work.
Because we're going to be seeing them either on the next big wildfire, on the next big earthquake, or on a confined space rescue such as this. You know their skill set, you know they're trustworthy, you know that you're willing to hang on the line that they actually rigged for you.
Our departments may have different names, but the heart is the same. We come together, we form as one that will go out and provide care to the highest level. If we're not able to do that, then the community members are the ones that suffer for it. We all got into this job because we want to protect the community, so we're going to do whatever we can to further those bonds.
Confined space rescue training is where we become one team, forging the trust and specialized skills necessary to work in the most unforgiving environments, ensuring that in the dark, restricted moments of crisis, no one is ever truly alone.